Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Amit from the Best Nutrition Chiseled, and we're gonna eat two of them today. Today we're gonna talk about fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, K, E. Okay, these vitamins are contained in fat and oil containing food because they are dissolved in lipids in your body and they are transported throughout your body with the help of bile released from your duct bile from the liver, and they are transported into fatty areas and they are stored in your body. They are different from water soluble vitamins because they can store, and there is a risk of deficiency and there is a risk of toxicity. In water soluble vitamins there is no risk of toxicity, but in fat soluble vitamins there is a risk of toxicity, so we have to take care about that. And the roles they play are from hormone like permissive actions and to antioxidant properties. Today we're going to talk about vitamin A. As vitamin A, it is called vitamin A because this was the first vitamin ever discovered in scientific research, so they named it A because of alphabet's first letter, vitamin A. Vitamin A is very important for your eyes. It is derived from plant-based beta or beta carotene, and beta carotene which is contained in carrots. So that's why carrots are really good for vitamin A, right? Its role is in vision, its role is in protein synthesis, its role is in immune function, and also the growth of the cells. Vitamin A can exist in three forms in our body. The first form is retinol, the second is retinal, and the third is retinoic acid. Retinol is a transportable form. It is inside your body running, and it acts as reproduction. It helps in reproduction of the body, like sperm development and other functions of reproduction, fetal development. And the second form and third form are the transported form in the cell. Once it get into the cell, it's called retinal and retinoic acid. Retinal is actually one that helps you in the vision. It clears the cornea of the eye, and cornea detects light. So retinol is in the eyes, it improves vision. And retinoic acid is more for cell differentiation. It is more for growth in the body, in the cell, and develop immune function. Okay, retinol clears your cornea, and the cornea detects light, and the vision is better. So those people who don't have vitamin A in their body, they have problem during the night time. They cannot see during the night time because their eyes cannot detect light. Once their eyes don't detect light, they cannot see. So when there is a lot of light in the daytime, they can still see, but during the night time, when there is not enough light detection in their cornea, so they cannot see much in the night time. Retinoic acid helps in protein synthesis and cell differentiation. And when the cell is different than its original form. So this is called cell differentiation. It is very important for growth of the cell. It is very important for immune function development. The linings in our body, the smooth lining from mouth, in lungs, in intestinal tract, in the bladder, everywhere, they are very important. Vitamin A is very important for those linings. These linings ensure the smooth functioning of all over our body, and it also improves the immune function. Right? Vitamin A is very important for sperm development in men and fetal development in women. The pregnant woman, and the baby is being created or developed. Vitamin A is essential. Right? Vitamin A in beta carotene form. Beta carotene, which is a precursor, it is contained in foods just like carrots. It acts as antioxidant when free radicals are released from oxidative processes, oxidative reactions in our body. Free radicals, they are released, they are damaging cells all the time. So beta carotene actually neutralizes those free radicals, and that way a lot of damage can be saved from being done to your body. All right. Deficiency is not common in adult. Deficiency of vitamin A is not common in adults. Sometimes it happens, but it is very common in children. The reason is children eat less food, adults eat more food. So when they eat more food, they get enough vitamin A. But children who eat less food, and when they eat junk food or some other food that does not have enough vitamin A. So they develop vision issues. You must have seen kids developing or having eyesight issues or going blind even. This is actually the reason that vitamin deficiency starts all those diseases. Those diseases are later can be blamed on anything. It could be genetic too, but main reason, most common reason is vitamin deficiency. It develops eyesight issues in kids. So we have to take care of that. And overdosing or toxicity or excess of vitamin A can create problems. Those problems are irritation. Those problems are hair loss, headaches, and joint pains. Sometimes it can get serious. It can give liver damage when too much vitamin A is in the body, because it keeps storing inside the body. It is stored in the fats. So toxicity can be a risk. And if there is a chronic overdosing of vitamin A, like if somebody is taking vitamin A all his life, too much vitamin A, his bone will start developing weaknesses, and fractures can occur in the bones. Right? Daily recommended intake should be taken care of. 900 mcg for men, 700 mcg for women. That means, and upper limit, the maximum limit is 3 mg or 3000 mcg. If you can take up till 3000 mcg, nothing will happen, no toxicity will develop. Right? Of course, the natural sources will not develop any toxicity issues, or any deficiency issues will be gone too. And those food are real foods, organic foods. Most important, I would say, carrots are very important. Fortified food, milk, apricot, liver and fish oils, spinach, sweet potatoes, and green leafy vegetables. They are most important one. Green, bright colored green leafy vegetables, for example, spinach. Lettuce could be there too. Right? So, vitamin A. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.